Hello guys, this is Deboville. Happy Sunday. In this video, I am going to teach you how to buy BNB Frog. BNB Frog is the king of beasts. They are the symbol of victory and strength, powerful and tough, and our BNB community is the same. So guys, if you have coin market app, you can search for BNB Frog. Guys, this is the contract address if you are interested in this project. Supported wallets, you can use Binance Web3 wallet, you can use Trust Wallet, you can also use SafePower wallet. So guys, I bought this project when the market cap was 300,000 US dollars. The current market cap is above $1 million in market cap. So guys, if you click on the Twitter account, this is BNB Frog Twitter account. So guys, you can check it out. The coin was blasting off yesterday. So guys, if you have spare money, you can buy this project. If you have deck screener, you can search for BNB Frog. The current market cap is 1.3 million. Buyers 960, sellers 594. Buy volume 65k, sell volume 43k. Buyers 689, sellers 312. So guys, according to some amazing Christians on YouTube, this coin is a prophetic coin. So guys, if you want to buy this project, pray and ask God if you should buy this project. If you have Trust Wallet, you can buy BNB Frog. So guys, make sure you have BNB. You click on swap. In the search space, you type BNB Frog. So guys, this is BNB Frog. You can reduce your spillage percentage to 0.5. So guys, if you have BNB, you swap BNB to buy BNB Frog. You click on continue. So guys, don't forget this. You can also buy BNB Frog on PancakeSwap. You click on discover. You click on DEX. You click on PancakeSwap. So guys, make sure you have BNB for gas fee. You click on connect. You click on Trust Wallet. Then you search for BNB Frog. Okay, so I have to go to Coin Market App to copy the contract address. So guys, this is how you copy the contract address. You go back to Trust Wallet in the search space. You paste the contract address. You click on import. You click on I understand. You click on import. You click on I understand. So guys, I've added BNB Frog. So guys, make sure you have BNB. You swap BNB to buy BNB Frog. You can also increase your spillage percentage if you use 0.5 on Trust Wallet. I mean on PancakeSwap. If it doesn't go, you have to increase your spillage percentage before you can buy this product. So guys, share this video, like, subscribe, and I am waiting for your comments. Thanks for watching.